All right, an angry drill corporal here. Lots of requests about polishing boots, and first thing is, without a doubt, you gotta break them in. And a couple of the big things are, when they put the side stitching in here, this is gonna harden. So what you're gonna need to do is shape the top of the boot so that it's gonna be round. Your foot's round. I don't want to see square corners. Don't want it looking like a flower pot. And the biggest thing is you really, and I can't emphasize this enough, break them in. You need to see creases in the ankle, and these are fair, but really the more the better. The more the better, the easier it's going to be for you. Second thing, you need to break up the surface here. It is from the factory, and it's no different than if you're painting a car, painting a wall, polishing a pair of boots. In order for the wax to stick, you want the surface to be broken up. So you're going to take your fine steel wool. It's going to be 00 fine, and you are just going to go over the entire boot. And especially where you see any of the defects that have come from leathercraft, anything like that, sand them off. A lot of times they're just a little bit of dye from when they're doing the boots. If they're stretching them, cutting them, whatever, dyeing the welts. But this is your chance here with the steel wool. Break it up. Get rid of that crap off of there. Take the laces out. And don't be shy, don't be afraid. The scratch marks, everything that you're going to see on there are going to come out when you start polishing. The big thing is get rid of those scuff marks. Now, this is a unique pair for one member. He's got some physical limitations cast wise, so yeah, they were modified. All I'm going to say in terms of that, if you do actually need any modifications, if you need stretching, cutting, whatever the case may be, don't ever go to anyone other than the leathercraft guys at Depot. This is all they do for a living, is work with these Strathcona boots, and the people you're going to go into your community have no idea. So go see them, get them done there, and we'll go from there. So I'm going to kind of highlight these. The big thing, like, again, go over it with the steel wool, and I'll be back here with the next step.